Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the chapter statistics, and we will discuss how to find arithmetic mean. Dear students, in class 9th, you all have studied how to find arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. So, arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. So dear students, let we have some observations: x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6 dash 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 xn. So dear students, there are n observations. So we define mean of this given data is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dash 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 plus xn upon n. This is the arithmetic mean. This formula is used to find the arithmetic mean of ungrouped data. For example, suppose we want to find arithmetic mean of data 1, 3, 5, 7. So there are 4 observations, and arithmetic mean x bar will be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 upon 4. So formula is total number of sum of all the observations upon total number of observations. So here we find 16 upon 4 is equal to 4. So 4 is the mean of this data. Now dear students, we will consider formula for the mean for grouped data. So if mean for grouped data, dear students, if let there are n observations, there are n observations x1, x2, x3, x4 dash 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 xn, and their corresponding frequencies, their corresponding frequencies are f1, f2, f3 dash 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 fn. Then mean x bar is equal to, we can write mean x bar is equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus dash 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 plus fn xn upon f1 plus f2 plus dash 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 plus fn, that is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Here sigma stands for the summation. So dear students, this is the direct method to find the arithmetic mean of given data. Now dear students, we consider one example on this method. Suppose we have xi observations and fi their corresponding frequencies. Suppose this is 2, 3, 7, 11. These are the values of x, and their corresponding frequencies is 3, 2, 4, 3. Then we have to find the mean of this data. So dear students, first we have to make the columns corresponding to xi and fi, and after that we have to make another column xi into fi. So dear students, make column for xi and fi. This is xi and this is fi. So values of xi's are 2, 3, 7 and 11, and values of fi are 3, 2, 4, 3. Make another column which is fi xi. Now multiply corresponding x with corresponding frequency. 6, 6, 28, 33. Now find sigma fi xi by adding all these. Sigma fi xi is equal to 6 plus 6 12 plus 8 20 plus 3 23. Carry is 2. 2 2 4 plus 3 7. This is 73. And now calculate sigma fi. Sigma fi is equal to sum of all these frequencies, and this is equal to 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12. This is 12. Now x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, which is equal to, will be 73 upon 12. This is the value of x bar. Now consider another method which is called assumed mean method. So assumed mean method is the next method to find arithmetic mean. Next method is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Dear students, in this method we assume any one value of the xi as assumed mean a, and after that we find deviation of the xi's from assumed mean, and then we multiply all the deviations with the corresponding frequencies, and we add all these multiplications of frequencies with corresponding deviations, and then we find mean of the all the deviations. Then mean of the all the deviations plus assumed mean will be the real arithmetic mean of the data. So first we discuss about the formula for the assumed mean method, or it is also called deviation method. So dear students, formula for this method is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi xi minus a upon sigma fi. Dear students, in this formula xi minus a is the deviation of xi from assumed mean, and this deviation is multiplied with corresponding frequency fi. So there is sign of summation. That means we multiply all the deviations with their corresponding frequencies, and after that we will add all those deviations into corresponding frequencies, and we divide this by sum of all the frequencies, and we add assumed mean in this. So this second term is the arithmetic mean of the deviations of the observations with respect to assumed mean. Here dear students, a stands for the assumed mean, which is a value from the xi's, and xi minus a stands for the deviation, and sigma fi xi minus a stands for the sum of products of deviations and their corresponding frequencies. And here we write xi minus a as equal to di also, and this is the deviation which is written here, deviation. So this is the formula for the assumed mean method to find the arithmetic mean. In this method, dear students, we will be given all the xi's and their corresponding frequencies fi's, and we have to find the x bar. That is, to solve the problem of arithmetic mean by using assumed mean method, we have given xi's and fi's, and we have to find the arithmetic mean. So dear students, we make a column for xi and another column for fi, and here are values of xi's, that is x1, x2, x3 dash 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 xn, corresponding frequencies f1, f2, f3 dash 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 fn. Dear students, from any of these xi's, suppose we have taken xj as assumed mean. Now we will make another column which is xi minus assumed mean, and there will be all these deviations d1, d2, d3, dn, where dj, where dj represents xj minus a, or di represents xi minus a. After that, we will make another column fi into corresponding deviation di, j equal to xi minus a, fi di. After that, we will add all these fi di's, and we find the arithmetic mean of deviation, which is sigma fi di upon sigma fi, which is equal to sigma fi di means xi minus a upon sigma fi. Now we add assumed mean in this term, then we find the real arithmetic mean of the data, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi xi minus a whole upon sigma fi, which is the formula for the assumed mean method. Now we will take another example to solve a problem by using assumed mean method.